Hi everyone, Bastien here, co-founder of HubleadLead, and if you're looking to supercharge your outbound stack right now with your HubSpot, this video is for you. I show you how to use Lemlist and HubleadLead to outreach on LinkedIn automatically and make sure LinkedIn activities such as messages and invitation are synced in your HubSpot. Because we all love HubSpot when it's well organized. You have nice data, well sorted. That's a dream. Not yours? No? Okay, never mind. We're gonna move forward. Now go to your Lemlist, go to campaigns, click on create a new campaign. Now you have to create your sequence, but I will directly go to lead list. You will search for people inside their database, so you click on import new leads from people database. You can search by current job title, for example, CEO, apply. And now you click here and you push 100 leads to your campaign. Find verify email, you have to pay for the credits to find an email. Okay, now you have your lead list. You can just click there and export as a CSV. So you will trigger this campaign with your LinkedIn automation, for example, like invitation sent and message sent. And HubleadLead will automatically collect any new LinkedIn invitation sent. But for that, you have to get the LinkedIn URL inside your HubSpot. So you go to your HubSpot, you go to CRM contacts, we import that list, start an import from your computer, it's contacts. Now you have your file, you can create and update the contact. Since you have the email, it's better because you won't have any duplicates. And here you see you have the LinkedIn URL. So you have to be careful because Lemlist is using either a property called LinkedIn URL or Lemlist LinkedIn URL. So for example, it should be LinkedIn URL, this one, but you have to spell it like that. LinkedIn URL. It should be like that, okay? This should be the internal name of your property. I have to put a name on my list, so I will tick that box and that box also. I want to create a contact list with that because I will be able to see in this contact list how many invitations I sent, how many invitations has been accepted. You will see your conversion rate and you will be able to see a list of people who you sent an invitation, for example, but didn't accept. And now, for example, I'm on my co-founder. So if I sent an invitation to him, it will be automatically collected. Even if the invitation was automatically sent, I can search for other emails if I want or phone numbers, and I can click on message. And I can also click on message, so we will automatically sync the LinkedIn message to HubSpot. So if I click on message sync over there, I open the HubSpot contact and you can see we sync LinkedIn conversation as a timeline event, so you can draw lists and reports. We have another tutorial speaking about that. I will put it in the comment section. But you can see also on our CRM card if you're connected to him and if someone else in your team is connected to Julian, for example. And you can see also our conversation as a logged LinkedIn message. It will be easier for you to read the conversation inside HubSpot. So now your interaction between HubSpot and Lemlist is way better than before because HubleadLead will automatically collect the LinkedIn invitation inside your HubSpot. When you get an answer from your prospect on your LinkedIn, you go over there, you answer to him, and you can click on the sync message button, or with the business plan, it will load automatically the LinkedIn message inside your HubSpot, and you can keep yourself organized with list reporting because we store the data inside your HubSpot. Hope you enjoyed, and if you have any question, you can reach me out on LinkedIn. See you, bye.